All right. Ms. Garza, who's your client? All right, Jesus Pettis.
I apologize.
Court is calling 2022 CR 3531W, State of Texas versus Jesus Pettis. Can our parties announce for the record for the state? Defense,
Anita Perez for the defense, Judge.
are you Mr. Pettis?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jesus Pettis who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 3531W for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1,
Yes, ma'am.
1 gram to 4 grams? All right, is there any motion or a motion to add to the allegation, to add that Mr. Pettis is on probation for possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 gram to 4 grams in the motion to revoke?
Yes, Judge, David made more motion to add the 1 to 4 grams.
Any objection?
I don't know what's going on. Oh, okay, got it. Yeah, that's fine. No objection, Judge.
All right. So are you the same Jesus Pettis who was placed on community supervision in 2022 3531W for the offense of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 grams to 4 grams on April 12, 2022 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Violated condition number 4 in Baird County, Texas. Defendant Jesus Pettis, defendant there, failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Judge, state waives all the violations.
Any objections?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to $1,000 fine and 6 years in the prison? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to deny the motion to alternate include ISP and referral for the drug court long custody.
All right, so here's the court's question. He hasn't been seen since January. Where has he been?
I defer to my client, Mr. Pettis.
All right, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, if you can state your name for the record.
Jesus Pettis.
All right, where have you been?
I have been working and was vending as a vendor in the Mexican restaurants selling palm leaf crosses. I make the crosses out of palm leaves and the leaves. And that's what I've been doing, just minding my business, going to work and staying with my friend Irene in her house, and I've just been staying back and forth at the address that I gave you for probation. And that's what I've been doing. I've been staying clean, sober.
Well, we don't know if you've been clean or sober
Of course,
because you
I
haven't been reporting.
Yes, of course.
So I
you
don't
have to
believe that.
assume- Yeah, you would have to assume the worst, of course.
No, it's not an assumption of the worst. Part of people, if you're in your sobriety, then you follow through on your commitments.
Correct.
You didn't report, so I know you were probably still using. That's why you didn't report.
Yeah, just if I may. So my client was supposed to report as part of a DDRF MIC program. I think my client obviously is someone with a diagnosable mental illness. He does have diagnosis for bipolar and what else did you say?
Oh, and major depression, schizoaffective.
And schizoaffective disorder, Your Honor. I know that he made some attempts and he did not have a phone. I don't know if the court,
But didn't he have a car?
no, Judge.
Well, how did he get to his work? Was his employment outside his house?
Yeah,
Walking
he just
bus.
walks, Judge.
Wait a minute.
There is
You
a
said
witness.
walked in bus? Then why can you take a bus to your probation officer?
With excuses.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, Judge. And with respects to our witness, Irene, I've made several attempts to contact her and I have not been successful. Otherwise, I would want some further testimony for the court. You know, all I can say is that I don't know if he would be a good probationer. Mr. Pettis has never been to prison before. He has obviously, I don't know if the court has the report from the PSI. He's only had some misdemeanors. This is obviously, it will be his first felony, so I would hope that the court, would follow our agreement and our understanding that, he should be, given 2 years to do, Judge.
All right, so here's your choice. Sometimes I can give people choices, sometimes I cannot. Do I think you need inpatient treatment? I'm sorry. All right. Do I think you need inpatient treatment? Yes. And probation, did they confer with you?
Yeah, that's why I'm a little confused, but
Right, because, and
that was it.
right, I understand. And
All right,
that-
so stop. We're on the record.
Sorry.
So, probation, what were you saying?
I thought that we had agreed, there was some miscommunication, Judge. So, when defense and I spoke, she asked that, if I agreed to the revocation,
That's correct,
and
Judge.
we did agree. But I think it was miscommunication with defense and state.
Right, Your Honor, because I think originally the defense asked if I would follow this recommendation. That's where I asked her to speak on Sean.
Okay.
And I think that might have been the miscommunications there.
All right, so this is what the court will do. I'm going to give you a choice. Right? You can either do 4 years in the prison, or you're going into inpatient treatment, and it's not ISF. So I can either, well, I will refer you to Safe P if felony drug court does not accept you, or you can do 4 years in the prison.
What do you want to do? I mean, I don't know how long safety is for.
He's 6 months and then 3 months aftercare. And that's inpatient.
Will I continue, will I still be on probation?
Yes,
And then the 4 years,
or either 4 years prison and you're not on probation. You're going to go to prison for 4 years.
Judge, I don't think that's fair. I mean, I think.
I'm giving him a choice.
I understand, Judge.
So
I mean,
what's,
he's-
what's
but
not
he's a
fair is
first-time offender, you know,
he's on regular probation. He already has a felony conviction. I'm giving him a choice. He can either do 4 years in the prison, or either he can do inpatient treatment. Those are his choices. I don't know what is not fair about me giving him a choice. Inpatient treatment, which is what they're recommending, or 4 years in the prison. Those are his choices. Like, that's what you all came up and agreed to with me. You said, we agree ISF. That's inpatient.
and that was not our agreement, Daniel. I mean, we talked about the time. We
Right.
talked about a time offer, and I asked Rashawn if she was fine with that, and she said she was fine with that, so I don't know why.
And again, my understanding, I just remember asking to pay with the recommendation. I asked if Sean agreed with that. That was what I asked.
I guess, Your Honor, I guess can we confer?
Yes.
We don't have an agreement, Judge.
Okay. Alexander Rodriguez. Good morning. Hi, this is Family Violence. Hello. So we were set for discovery.
Yes,
I'm
Judge.
sorry,
Oh, sure.
just give me 1 second. My mom has a doctor's.
Without interpreters, court cases can literally lose meaning. Justice isn't just about the law, it's about making sure everyone understands the game they're playing. 90 days in for something small. This is where the system starts to feel less like a courtroom and more like a holding pattern. Missing defendant alert, the lawyer's in the dark, the bondsman's worried, and the judge's patience is about to expire.
All right, so where are we on discovery?
Judge, I was handed the flash drive that I had turned over to the state this morning.
Okay,
So I have not had a chance to review it, but we were given at least some discovery. I don't know what's on it.
all right. So Ms. Ferguson, on this case, on Mr. Rodriguez, if you can recall it for September, the week of September 23rd, that will give you plenty of time to review. That will be your final discovery.
Thank
All
you,
right,
Judge.
September 24th.
And Judge, I have a motion that was filed if I can hand it to you.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out.
This is just an appointment of an investigator.
Oh,
okay.
Thank you.
There-
Sorry.
No, all is good, all is good.
I'm not doing anything shady, I promise.
September 24th was the discovery or plea deadline?
Discovery.
And
And
you-
state on September 24th, you need to be prepared to make an offer.
Yes, Judge.
September 24th.
All right, there you are.
Thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, you're all excused.
So
there is more than I thought. I thought it was only. I'm sorry, I'm going to meeting.
What page is Rodriguez on?
Page 1.
Thank you.
I'll put it up there.
So like everyone.
All right, Darren Johnson. Who's the attorney for Darren Johnson? Hi. Morning. All right, so today is plea deadline date.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so jury trial, or you all come to an agreement?
It's going to be a jury trial, Your Honor.
All right, how long do y'all expect this trial to last?
2 days, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date for criminal trial division.
Judge, wasn't there a expert wanted to ask for?
Yes, that is for, they're just enhancing a video.
Oh, I've already signed it.
I'm just making sure.
Yes, no problem. And thank you for always dressing appropriately for court. I really appreciate that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And we'll see what date we can get.
November 4th. You'll be an impact.
All right, November 4th, and it'll be an impact court.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, and let me make sure. State on Johnson, have you already done a acknowledgement of discovery? All right, just to make sure it's uploaded.
What's the case number?
It is 2024 CR 2675.
Can't see what you're saying. I can't read it. Okay.
All right, if you'll have a seat, and they will bring you a reset form. Once you sign that, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, they need to approach on Delgado.
All right, Delgado, yes,
That's fine, approach, Your Honor.
yes.
Yes, Your Honor. You had requested, the court had requested that I contact Delgado's bondsman. I have done so. And I also received a co-signer telephone number,
Mhm.
and I contacted that and left a message.
Okay, all right, we'll go on the record.
Okay.
Judge, Mr. Johnson there,
Yes.
there's not one uploaded into.
All right, she's a female. It's Darren. All right,
Yes, I said there.
okay, thanks. State on Darren Johnson, we do need an acknowledgement of discovery. All right, and then could I have a prosecutor on Dean Pablo Delgado? Defendant is not present. Court is calling 2022 CR 3996, State of Texas versus Dean Pablo Delgado. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Gary, hand job.
Defense?
Ron Zimmerman.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 11 a.m. and your client has not made an appearance. Have you sought to contact your client?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
Do you want to place anything on the record or no?
Yes, I have called. I talked to him on Friday on the telephone, and then I called him yesterday and received just a recorded message. I called this morning, his telephone number, received the same message, subscriber is not available. I then contacted the Bell bondsman listed for his cases and talked to the Bell bondsman. They gave me a number of the cosigner. I did contact that cosigner, called that number and left a message on that and have not received a return call.
All right, and Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement for Delgado in the hallway?
Yes, Your Honor, I did. He is not in the hall.
All right, state.
State's requesting, I believe, a bond forfeiture or judge's warrant, Your Honor.
All right, the court will issue a bond forfeiture. Your client will be remanded without bond. If your client makes an appearance, the court will reconsider.
Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. All right, who's here on Jesus Pettis? Are you all ready?
Not yet.
All right, thanks.